Hi friends, this video shows how to use Portronics iKonnect C Pro Type-C to 3.5mm female aux connector to connect earphone to iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, this is a connector. This is a USB Type-C pin. So this is a 3.5mm female port. So here we can connect earphone. And this pin we need to connect to iPhone. First I am going to connect earphone to 3.5mm port of the adapter. Okay, done. Then I am going to connect this USB Type-C pin of the connector to this iPhone. So we can connect like this. Done. Let me test. First I am going to test the mic. You can see this earphone as mic. So this is a mic. So I am going to test this mic. Open this microphone test app. Okay, then let me test. See, it's working. So you can play one audio and test the speakers of this earphone. So this way we can connect earphone to iPhone using this connector, Portronics iKonnect C Pro. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.